Class 10th exercise 2.2 question number 1. Requirement is find cube root of 64. So let's start. 64, let's assume is x cube is equal to, or we can write it x cube minus 64 is equal to 0. So we can write it x cube minus 4 raised to power 3 is equal to 0, or we can write here x minus 4 into x square plus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. This means either x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x square plus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. So we can write it as x minus 4 is equal to 0. So we'll have x is equal to 4. This is our first answer. For the remaining we need to solve this one. We can solve this one using quadratic formula. For quadratic formula we need a and we need b and we need c. In this case we have a is our 1 and b is 4, c is 16. So let's solve it. Our quadratic formula, let's write formula first. X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a and square root. So let's solve it. So we can write as x is equal to minus 4 plus minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 16 square root divided by 2 into 1. So we can write it as x is equal to what we have, minus 4 plus minus 16 minus 64. Let me check. Yes, divided by 2. Further we can solve it. We can write x is equal to minus 4 plus minus 48 square root divided by 2. Okay, what we can do here, we can write it like this: minus 4 plus minus, we can write 4 into 4 into minus 3. Now these two 4's we can take out, so it will be minus 4 plus minus 4 into minus 3 square root divided by 2 x. We can take 4 common, so it will become okay, we'll take x common, so it's 4 is common, and we have inside minus 1 plus minus 3 square root divided by 2, and we can write 4 into minus 1 plus minus, or let's use plus minus 3 divided by 2, and the other option 4 into minus 1 minus 3 square root divided by 2. So one part is, if this one is omega, the other one is omega square, and we already have one value of x is 4. So this is our answer to the question.